Back, and I have this toy here for my dog, Coco. Coco, where are you? Oh, right there. Come on, ready? 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 Go get it. Oh, she got it. Give me it. Come on, Coco, jump. Good girl. Okay, ready? Ready for the next one? Ready? 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 Oh! What are you doing? Give me it! Oh! I'm running with it. I'm running with it. Oh, snap. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Go get it. What are you doing? It's right here. What are you doing? No. Sit, and then you get this. This you don't want to listen, okay? Throw it over there. Whoa! Drop it! Oh, snap! Okay. Come on, Coco. Come on. Let's see. I'm going to try throwing this all the way to the back fence. Ready? You ready? Yes, I did it. You see over there? What is she doing? She's smelling something. Coco, go get it! No, I'll come with you. Come on, Coco. Oh, I don't have any shoes on right now. Like, bro, what am I supposed to do? You see this? Like, snap. Come on, Coco. Come here. Oh my God. Oh, my feet hurt. You see how pokey this grass is? Jeez. You see this, Coco? You make me do. Coco! Coco, ready? Get it! Oh! Look at her go! What are you doing? Can I get it? Can I have it? Give me it. Good Coco. Ready? Sorry for the light, but we'll come over here so the light's not that bad, you know, quality issues. Okay. You see this? Go get it. You know what? I think you're bored. Okay, come on, Coco. Let's go eat your bone. So while she's doing that, I kind of want to go swimming today, you know? Look at this water cleaner machine right there. You see that? So cool. What is that leaf doing there? Well, it's so dirty on the top, though. And I might want to hop in this. We got the jets. Vroom. We got that jet. We got the jets. Oh. Look at her getting water. Hi. I'm not food.
Do you want anything from 99 cents store?
Let's see. Yeah, I'll get some stuff.
What do you want?